Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use School Cash Online. This system offers a simple, secure way for parents and guardians to pay for school-related items. You can easily manage payments for things like field trips, yearbooks, and school supplies from the comfort of your home. Enjoy round-the-clock access to your account and receive helpful email notifications, ensuring you never miss an important deadline or new item available for purchase. It's designed to make your life a little easier. Getting started with School Cash Online is a breeze, taking less than 5 minutes. First, navigate to your school district's dedicated School Cash Online website. Look for the Get Started Today button and follow the straightforward 3-step registration process. Remember to use a valid email address and create a secure password with at least 8 characters, including 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and a number. Finally, confirm your account by clicking the link sent to your email. Once registered, you can easily add your children to your account. You can link up to 5 students by entering their school board name, school name, and student details. After adding your students, you'll see all available items for purchase. Simply select the items you wish to buy and add them to your cart. When ready, proceed to checkout and choose from 3 secure payment methods: credit card, e-check, or the convenient My Wallet feature. Using School Cash Online offers numerous benefits, enhancing both convenience and security. You can easily view your complete payment history and print receipts for your records at any time. This system also significantly reduces the need for your children to carry cash or checks to school, promoting a safer environment. Should you have any questions or require assistance, a dedicated parent help desk is available to provide support and guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.